Okay, today we're going to make some loin flat meat. I haven't seen it before, but I saw it in Costco, and it really looks like just some very, very well marbled, almost like a skirt steak. So I figured that would hold a lot of flavor, and we're going to cook it just like a skirt steak. I'm going to cook it on the grill, or griddle, and should come out amazing. So let's start with our rub here we're going to make for today. I'm going to do 2 parts black pepper, 1 part coarse sea salt, 1 part onion, granulated or minced, 1 part no BS rub. If you'd like to substitute the no BS rub, you can use a combination of Cajun seasoning, barbecue spice, and seasoned salt. And we'll mix that up. Just so happens I ran out of the granulated garlic I had, so we're going to use this minced garlic. We'll put that on first, and that's actually going to help the rest of the rub to stick together. So we'll get all of this mixed up here. Just like so. And let's get some of this garlic on there. It's about a teaspoon on each one here. There we go. Set off to the side. Here's the fun part, you get to rub your meat. Okay, let's rub some of this garlic all over it, being that it is a minced garlic and some water here. It's gonna help all that other stuff stick to it. Start adding our rub. Got our griddle over here heating up, as you can probably hear when a little bit of that garlic hits it. Sizzling right away. A little much garlic on this one. There we go. Now this is going to cook real hot and fast. So it's something you can make if you're in a hurry. I mean, total cook time and everything on this is going to be less than 10 minutes. Okay. A little bit on there. You want to kind of find your happy medium. The higher you go, the more even it's going to spread out. It's also going to make more of a mess. There's that there. Flipped over on the other side. Go. Set this rub aside and make some steaks later. They'll be great on steaks as well. Okay, let's get these on the grill. Okay. See how they're doing here? Ooh. That caramelization. Switch these. It's cooking a little hotter on that side to get them evened out a little bit. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Okay. This rub here, we're going to try on some steak. We're going to try it on some brisket. And I'm even going to make some beef ribs with it. I think it's going to be amazing on all of it. Call this little one here. Ooh, another minute or so. One thing I noticed with this loin flat meat, it is super tender if you slice it against the grain. I like it better than the skirt steak, better than the hanger, and it's not much more expensive. This one's going to be done here. And you can see in here how the grain is kind of going that way. See if it's better in this side. The other grain is going that way, so we're going to want to cut it a little bit kind of diagonal this way instead of just cutting it straight this way. And that's going to make it a lot more tender. While I'm waiting for it to rest a little bit, I'm going to try Chef Snack. That'll do it. Okay. The big pieces here. They are pretty much done as well. Look at that. Okay. Try. Leaves. Pulls right apart. Almost like brisket. Mmm. Mmm. 10-minute meal from start to finish. That's darn good. No carbs in this one. As you can see, juicy, tender. Probably cut that with a fork. there. That's melting in your mouth good. Try one of these other ones. It looks like it's going to be much easier to cut here. So just have a bit there. That is just perfect. Delicious. That's good. Yummy goodness right there. Okay. Like and subscribe for more videos. This same rub, we're going to test it out on some ribeyes here. Try it on some, I'm going to do a 1-2-1 method of beef ribs with this rub. And I'm also going to cook a brisket in this rub. All of it's 0 carb and delicious. Have a good day.